Big Boys Neighborhood, man. I want to bring someone into the neighborhood. For those out there, I was over 520 pounds, probably even more so. I was 511 pounds when I got the surgery. And once I got the surgery, it's not an end all. You got to really learn about nutrition. You got to really learn about your body. You got to learn about what you put in the inside of your body, what's fuel, food. And there was just so many things that I had to learn, like my first 10 years of weight loss. And even before I actually got the gastric bypass surgery, I would do body cleanses. Like I wasn't the guy that was just like, oh, he's big and he's slow, he's this, he's that. Even at 500 pounds, I had the wherewithal to go do my full body cleanse. And the full body cleanse that I turned everybody onto as well, man, is the Dherbs full body cleanse. And I got my guy AD up in here. And AD, we've known each other for years.
Years.
We've both seen transformations in other people's lives, but as well as our lives. And what I wanted to talk about with you today is now we're on quarantine. The
Right.
world is in a different place. People, their minds are focused on a lot of different things. I even caught myself, AD, eating different, to
Right.
where now I'm back to juicing. I'm eating better because we're talking about this quarantine 15. And with this also comes, a depression and anxiety, and
Yeah.
we're sitting at the house and we're looking forward to our next meals. How has it been now that we've been on this quarantine? What have you seen with dherbs.com?
Well, you know what? People are running to D-Earths because they know we stand for health.
Hmm.
We've getting a lot of inquiries over the last few weeks because people realize how important health is. If you're not healthy, big, you can't go to work. If you're not healthy, big, you can't take care of your kids. Health is the most important thing that we can do right now and forever.
Yeah, man. When we say health is wealth, I don't think people really understand that, bro.
Right.
That health is wealth. And right now we're in a position, AD, where, like I said, we're looking forward to our next meal, And what I encourage people to do, not just with D Earth full body cleanse, but I tell people, I say, man, we got to come out of this better than what we went in. So if
Exactly.
that means, okay, I want to write a book. Oh, you know what? I want to do a journal. I want to, eat better. I want to, practice better, get better nutrition, whatever it is. We got to start doing those things today. And with the D Earth full body cleanse, man, and this isn't me talking about an endorsement because it's worked for me. You know what I'm saying? This
Right.
isn't a check or a get. Isn't the Instagram teas and all that kind of stuff, man. This is something that is real, and we're talking about natural herbs. And my just put it this way: years ago, my nephew went on. He did the D Herbs full body cleanse. Alrighty, he saw me doing it. He was like, you know what, Unc, I want to try it. That was probably AD, probably at least 5 years ago.
I
At least,
remember.
yeah. To this day, bro, that changed his entire life of
I remember.
learning how to eat. The full body cleanse from D Herbs, bro, it kicked in. And if you see him today, he is the same way that he came out of that full body cleanse
That's all.
and held his weight down. He learned his nutrition. Now he has his daughter, but he never went back, bro. You know what I'm saying?
That's all.
And we got 20 days to take care of ourselves. You know what I'm saying? If you're talking about a full body cleanse from D Herbs, 20-day cleanse, and AD, I want you to talk about how when people say cleanse, people think that they're gonna drink, a cayenne pepper,
Yeah.
and they're just, you know what I'm saying? Like I eat when I'm on my cleanse.
Right. So when people think about cleansing, like we mentioned before, they think weird concoction, starve yourself, running back and forth to the bathroom. But the cleanse isn't, that's not what it's about. It's actually about eating more, but eating healthier things. You can eat as many, as long as you stay within the diet, you can eat as much as you like. You don't have to limit yourself. It's about drinking more water. It's about getting healthy.
Yeah, and the thing about it, bro, is that you're not starving yourself to where you're saying, okay, I get to have my next drink at 3 p.m. and it's 11 now, and I have
Right.
a protein shake at 6 for dinner. Like all through the day, bro, I'm eating my raw nuts. I'm eating the most beautiful colored salads. And I know people thinking like, what? I'm talking about when you go 20 days, I tell people, get through your first 3 days and let your appetite level break. You get
Right.
through your first three, that 20 days is easy. Is I don't want to say easy, but it's easy. And as far as, and you got to think, I was an emotional eater. I was over 500 pounds. I'm gastric bypass. I think that I had more of the isms than a lot of people that's listening right now. You know what I'm saying? I had more of the isms. There is no 511-pound healthy. You know what I'm saying? At the moment, I was cool, but then you go in, bro, and I'm talking about when you do your full body cleanse from D herbs, man. The way that a salad tastes,
Right.
AD, the way that a piece of fruit tastes,
Tell them,
and
Big.
then the healing process of your mucus draining, what your skin looks like,
Right.
how alert you are. You know what I'm saying? You could damn near hear a bird chirp in the woods. Okay, that's a lot. But just how alert you are and what you feel like, bro, it is amazing, man. Like and I encourage people to try it, bro. I encourage them to try it. And what's the benefits of the D herbs full body cleanse?
You're talking about weight loss between 10 to 30 pounds, a huge boost in energy, stronger immune system, being able to focus and concentrate better. The cleanse is not just about weight loss. Everyone tries to use it as a weight loss tool. It's not just about that. It's actually about changing your lifestyle for the future so you can be healthier for the future.
And it's so true, bro. And at a time like this, I think we really need to start looking at taking care of each other. You know what I'm
Right,
saying? And not just taking care of each other, but it has to start with you. I can't take care of my wife and my kids
right,
unless I take care of me first. The first thing that they tell you when you get on the airplane, bro, they say, in the event of an emergency, secure your mask first
right.
and then you take care of who you with. So this is securing your mask. When it comes to your health, this is securing your mask, man. This is making sure that you get up and you do the things that you got to do for your family, the things that my wife got to do for the family. My kids have a job that they have to do, but you got to take care of yourself before you can take care of anyone else. And the one thing that I do talk to people about, if it's losing weight, clearing out your gut, your, you know what I'm saying, like your
Right.
intestines, your boosting your immune system, your strength, just feeling better, the sleep that you get at night, the way that you face a day. People really don't understand that when you do the D herbs full body cleanse, what you really putting into your system, bro, because we are designed, a lot of people are designed to put poisons and preservatives, and we shop down the aisle and we don't understand what full body nutrition is and what fuel is. And I'm telling you, man, you do the 20 days. And the one thing about D herbs, AD, and you know it, you know that it's not a one and done. Like
Right.
you have so many repeat customers, so many repeat people that come back, not just for the full body cleanse, but also for the herbs that you got. And I'd say herbs, when you say D herbs, we're talking about real herbs, bro.
There
You know what I'm saying? Like amazing.
100% herbs. That's the only thing that we put into our products. No fillers, no binders, nothing like that. The capsules themselves are vegetarian capsules. So we don't play when it comes to saying our product is all natural.
And it is, bro.
Mhm.
And I'm telling you, man, like I I'm speaking because you know how many full body cleanses I've done, bro. I remember one time I did 3 of them back to back. I did 60 days of a full the D-Earth full body cleanse. I did um raw vegetables, raw nuts, the most beautiful salad. You know what I'm saying? Just and it wasn't when you do the full body cleanse with D herbs, bro, you're never saying, "Oh, I'm hungry." And it's crazy too because AD, you'll start to not even want the things that you used to
There you
want.
go. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like you don't sit down and be like, "Oh my god, I miss fried chicken. I miss this." Especially if you break your first 3 days and you let your appetite level break, you good to go, man. You look up and you're like, "Damn, I'm at day 10. I'm at day 15. I'm at that." And that's why you feel like and what I do, man, is I never come back to that. I just want this meal. Once I finish, I just want this meal, and all that great work, I just go and fill it in with a new poison. You know what I'm saying? So
Right.
I encourage people, man, right now to go on to dherbs.com. That's the letter D herbs, herbs.com. You can use the promo code, which is clean, CLEAN, and and take care of yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? Take care of yourself. This isn't, where you signing on the Instagram and you seeing somebody talking about a flatten your tummy tea, and you know what I'm saying? Like, no, this works for people and real people. When you go on Dherbs.com, you'll see real reviews from real people, bro. So, AD, I thank you for catching up with us, bro.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me on, Big.
Man, let's continue to help these people, man, and let's continue to change lives. Y'all stick around, man. Big Boys Neighborhood.